Wondering what to do when the Clean Descale light is flashing? Let's get into the clean and descale modes on your Breville Barista Express. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going over the clean cycle and descale cycle for the Breville. This is part of its prompted cleaning. So the three prompted cleaning elements include the empty me drip tray signal, the clean signal, and the descale signal. When the drip tray signals the empty me, the obvious thing to do is empty the tray. The clean and descale functions are a little bit more tricky and involved, as they do require some accessories and also require a certain combination of buttons to activate it. Let's do the clean cycle first. You'll know when to clean because this light written clean/descale will flash. That's when it's telling you to enter the clean cycle. So for the cleaning cycle, you will need a cleaning tab. Your machine should have come with a couple to begin with. Once those are done, you can buy these things online. I buy Cafiza. You will also need your single shot basket and the blind disc. Take your portafilter handle, remove the basket you have in there now, insert your single basket, and with it, the blind disc. You'll take one tablet of Cafiza or whatever cleaning detergent you're using, place it in the center of the disc. Turn off your machine. Insert the portafilter handle with the blind disc and the cleaning tablet and lock it in place. Make sure that there's sufficient water in the tank. With the machine off, hold the 1 and 2 cup buttons together and then push the power button. Hold this for up to 10 seconds. The machine will automatically go into descale mode and cycle through its washing process. It's automatic, you don't need to do anything. The manual says that you may see some water coming out of these spouts. I've actually never seen that. The water goes back through the solenoid and into the drip tray. Take a look at that water to see what comes out of it. Now let's get into descale. You'll know when to descale when the machine illuminates this light steadily. For the descale program, you'll need a few accessories. You will need a descale solution or descale powder, as well as a large container to capture the water coming out of your machine. You'll also need about 2 to 3 liters of fresh water. Remove the tank from the back of the machine, empty it, and rinse it. Combine the detergent powder or the liquid with water, roughly 1 liter, and fill the tank with your detergent water. Replace the tank at the back of the machine. For this process, the portafilter handle does not need to be in place. Turn the machine off and place a large container underneath. This container should be wide enough and short enough to catch water coming from the group head, from the spout, and from the steam wand. To enter the descale mode, press and hold the 2 cup button, then press the power button. The machine will enter the descale mode and the power button will flash while the machine's heating up. When the machine is ready, it'll tell you by indicating the power light, the clean descale light, the hot water light, and the 1 button light. To go through the descale process, first hit the 1 shot button. Water will come from the group head. This will run for about 20 or 25 seconds. When that's done, we need to move to the activator switch for the steam and for the hot water. It doesn't matter which order you do this in, but you have to do each. Flip the wand in one direction. In this case, I'm going to flip it towards steam wand, and water detergent will come through the steam wand. This will last about 15 seconds. When that's done, come back to the activator switch and activate the water spout. Water will start to come from the water spout. That will last about 10 seconds. That's 1 cycle. Repeat this cycle until the detergent is finished. Keep an eye on the back of the machine for the level of the water. Usually you can get through 2, possibly 3 washing cycles. When you've done the cycles and the detergent is finished, remove the tank, rinse it, fill it with fresh clean water, about 1 liter. Replace the tank. Repeat these cycles with fresh, clean water to remove the detergent from the machine. I like to do this for 2 full tanks of water. That's roughly 4 cycles of each, the group head, steam wand, and spout. Once you're done, hit the power button and the machine comes out of descale mode and you're ready for great tasting espresso. Now that you've deep cleaned the brewing components of your machine, you might want to consider deep cleaning your grinder. For a guide on how to deep clean your grinder, check out this video.